Alright everyone, what's going on? So today's video I'm showing you guys how to pair the Apple AirPods, the genuine version over here, the one that's of course Apple in California, assembled in China. These are the legit ones. I'm going to show you guys how to pair them to the GT08 smartwatch. So this is similar like pairing these to the original Apple Watch, except it's a budget-friendly GT08 smartwatch over here, okay? So, and of course this will work if you have some songs on a memory card that's already inserted into the GT08 smartwatch. So let's get started. We'll go into the menu as a first step, and then we'll come across this layout here. We'll just browse across until we see the Bluetooth icons over here. And the first one we want to go to is the top one. And mine is a bit glitchy, so it takes some time after a few taps and a few tries. Let's try this thumb. Alright, there you go. And then, of course, you'll see this menu here. You'll see power visibility. We'll tap on the word power once. It'll switch it on for you, which basically enables the Bluetooth settings for the smartwatch. And then we'll tap on the word visibility one time. It will go from off to on. Then the next step is we'll back out of that, and we'll go to the one that's across of 3 o'clock, the one on the right. We'll tap on that one time. And again, it's have some kind of response issues. And of course, you'll see search new device. Now, before we select that, we want to go ahead and flip open the case for the Apple AirPods here. And these, again, once again, they're the real deal, not the fake ones, not the i10s or anything like that. Okay, and we'll flip it open. You'll see the green light that lights up. And then to the very back, you will see this button here, and this basically, when you hold it down for maybe about 3 seconds or so, you'll notice the white light and it will start blinking in a white light. So it's going to do that. Hold down that button, press it down, and then you'll see the white light blinking like this, and just let it go once it does that. And what this means is that the AirPods are now in a manual pairing mode. And keep the lid open, because once the lid goes shut down, it will basically just turn off the AirPods. So with that said and done, let's jump back into the GT08 smartwatch. We'll see where it says search new device. We'll tap on that one time. It will say searching. You'll see AirPods show up, and just simply you can tap on the word AirPods or select pair. It'll say stop searching, pairing, and then you'll see that it says connected, AirPods connected. You'll also notice the green light lights up in the AirPods, and then you'll see where it says AirPods on the GT08 smartwatch. That little icon here across of it means that that's the device that's currently connected to the GT08 smartwatch. Now, in some cases, you may not be able to hear the song play, or some songs just may not work, but it's worth a try. Overall, it was just a guide to show you guys how to connect them to the GT08 smartwatch, and I think it's a pretty cool thing. So if you do get the songs to play, that's really neat and even better. And other than that, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments, questions, leave it in the bottom section. And thanks for watching.